What's up, guys? Another Mustang Monday, huh? At least it is around here. So, God, everybody should be familiar with old Myrtle by now. We're Myrtle here. Now that the T5 swap is completed, we're going to drop it down a little bit. Came up on these steeda lowering springs. I think it's like a 2-inch drop. So, on the ground here, looks like 27.5 roughly for the front height prior to the drop. The back looks a little lower already. It's all the way off the lift. Yep, just a little bit under. So these are our pre-measurements prior to the installation of the springs, which we're going to do right now. Hopefully give this thing a little bit more attitude. Can't wait till the Cobra wheels get here. It's going to be so nice. So, a little before video with that fender well gap we're going to try to kill right now. Got our before measurements, so now rip it all apart, throw those things in there, see what kind of an attitude develops after that. Can't wait till this car is put together and painted. It's going to look slick. Alright guys, post up your projects. What y'all playing with this week? Show me how you rehab your Fox bodies. Drop the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more updates. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a great week.